Hi there, and welcome to our virtual open house. My name is Stephen Murphy, and I'm the President and Vice Chancellor of Ontario Tech University. Welcome to our community. What you're going to see today is you're going to see messages from our faculty and our staff and our students. You're going to see how much you are so much more than a number. When you come to our university, you're a person, you are somebody who's cared about, and you're joining a family and not an institution. These are strange times with COVID, without a doubt, and we're an institution that is nimble and able to provide online education and supplement that whenever and wherever possible with what we know is critical to our family, and that's the in-person, face-to-face contact that people need. So enjoy our virtual open house and know that you're with a university that knows how to deliver a quality education in difficult times and knows how to get you back on campus when the timing is safe, and that we put your safety above everything else. Thank you.